In this video, I will show you how to use NotebookLM to read and analyze PDF documents effortlessly. I'm starting on the NotebookLM homepage, where I can see my existing notebooks and featured guides. To begin a new project, I'll click the Create New button in the top right corner. Once the workspace initializes, a window pops up asking me to add my sources, and I'll select the Upload Files option to bring in my document. I've uploaded a file called ai.pdf, and after I select it, NotebookLM immediately gets to work. You can see it quickly generates a high-level summary titled The Frontiers of Artificial Intelligence, which gives me an instant overview of the entire paper without having to read every page first. Now, I want to see how well the AI understands the specific details of the text. I'll go to the chat bar at the bottom and ask the AI to summarize the differences between narrow AI and general AI based only on the definitions in the document. After I send the request, the AI provides a clear, structured response. It explains that narrow AI is designed for specific tasks like chatbots and recommendation systems, while general AI refers to a more advanced form of AI that possesses human-level intelligence and is still in the research phase. This workflow makes researching complex topics much faster and more reliable. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.